Hi, I'm here to show you how you can easily connect Printful to your Selldone shop. So start by clicking here to connect Printful. Next, select Printful from the list to continue. Now select Printful from the options. Next, click Sync All to start the synchronization process. Keep in mind that the daily product edition quota is based on your license. If you need to import more than 100 products in a single day, consider upgrading to a higher license tier. Continue by selecting Auto Connect to Printful. Next, select your store on the Printful website and complete the authentication. You will then be redirected back to Selldone. Click on Inventory to view added products. Next, select the product to edit. Now continue through the next steps, then modify by clicking Edit. Now choose Specifications to view details. Proceed by clicking to create product specifications by AI. After that, finalize creation of specifications automatically. Click here to add generated spec to the product. Now save spec. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Then navigate to product description. Click here to start auto-writing the article by AI. We'll need to wait a few seconds for Selldone to automatically generate the product content using AI. Lastly, click Save and Publish to complete. Now I want to return to the products page. Let's return to the Products Management tab to view the list of products. As we can see, some product prices are incorrect due to a missing currency exchange rate. Click on the Exchange tab. Here we need to select EUR since my store on Printful uses EUR as the currency. Add EUR as the missing exchange rate. To update the rates, refresh the shop data by clicking here. Congratulations! Everything is now working perfectly. To start selling, all you need to do is connect your payment methods.